Good morning to all of you. My name is Sunil Sarkar from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapith, Mount Abu. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 9 and today's topic is statistics. In statistics today we will do measure of central tendency. So mean, median, mode. These are called measure of central tendency. They have a tendency towards the center, so that's why they are called measure of central tendency. Then what is mean? Mean is called calculated average. So we know how to find the average number of students present in the class, average number of age of a class, so average number of books available in the class. So these we find out by calculating average. So this is called mean. Mean means arithmetic mean, that is called calculated average. Then median is called position average. If we arrange them in a order, either increasing or decreasing, which is in the middle position, that is called median. Median is called position average. And mode, the variate value which has maximum frequency. The variate value, the observation which has the maximum frequency, number of times, how many times they occur. They occur in maximum times. That is called mode. That variate value is called mode. That frequency is not called mode. That variate value is called mode. So I am giving you an example. In a test given 50 students, the following marks are recorded. Find mean, median and mode. These are the marks: 41, 39, 48, 52, 46, 62, 54, 40, 96, 52, 98, 40, 42, 52 and 60. These are the 15 marks obtained by 50 students. Then we have to find the mean, median and mode. So first, the easiest thing is the mode. So the mode, the variate value, which variate value has maximum frequency? Now look, this 52 occurs 3 times. This 52 occurs 3 times and there has maximum occurrence. 52 has the maximum frequency. It occurs 3 times. So it has maximum frequency 3. So 52 has a maximum frequency 3. So mode is 52. 41 is 1 time, 40 is 2 times. So in such way, 52 has 3 times and that is maximum. So 52 is the mode. Now we come to the mean. Mean is calculated average. So what is the formula of mean? Mean is denoted as x bar. Sum of all observations upon total number of observations. Sum of all observations. So we find the sum of all these numbers, 15 numbers. That is 41 plus 39 plus 48, 52 plus. In such way, we find the sum of these upon 15. How many numbers are there? 15. So that is the average calculation. The process of calculating the average, that is the mean. So we find the sum of these upon 15. So that is 522 upon 15. That we find the mean. Mean is 54.8. So mean we find by this formula, sum of all observation upon total number of observation. Next is median. For median is position average. So we make them in order. So we have written them all in increasing order. First, which one is the lowest term? 39, and which is the maximum term? 98. So 39, 40, 42 times, 41 1 time, 42, 46, 48, 52 3 times. Here also we can see 52 3 times. Maximum number of occurrence 52. So mode is 52. Mode is, that's why 52. 54, 60, 62 in such a way written. Now which one is in the middle position? How many terms are there? 15 terms are there. So when 15 terms are there, then 15 plus 1 upon 2, that is the 8th term. 16 upon 2, that is the 8th term is the middle position. Then what is the middle position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 52. So then median is 52. What is median? Median is 52. We find the median. How? Suppose there are 3 students. Then which is in the middle position? 3 students are sitting. Which one is in the middle position? Second. There are 5. Then third position. There are 7. Then fourth position. That means what we are doing? We add with them 1 and divided by 2. So here 15 students are there. So 15 plus 1, 16. 16 upon 2, that is 8. 8 is not the median. 8th position is the median. So what is the value of the 8th position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th position value is 52. So that's why 52 is the median because 8th position. But this is for the odd number of cases. There are 15 students. So 1 is in the middle. If there are 14 students, as per the question, that is completed. 52 up to 52 is the answer. But if there are 14 students, then suppose we remove 98, then this is here 14 students. Then which one is the middle position? Then we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th position and 8th position both are in middle position. 7th and 8th both are in middle position because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 is there. So these two are in middle position. These two are in middle position. Then we find the average of these. That is this plus this upon 2. 48 plus 52 upon 2. That is 48 plus 52 upon 2 is 50. So 50 is the median. If there are even number of terms, then there are two terms in the middle position. Then we add them and divide them by 2. We add them and divide it by 2. That is the median. Then how to find the middle position of that? There are 14 terms. There are 14 terms. So 14 means 7 upon 14 upon 2. That is 7. 7 and next term 8. There are 4 students. Then second and third. Then what we are doing? We are dividing that total number of terms by 2. 14 terms. So 14 upon 2, that is 7. And next one is 8. So 7th term plus 8th term upon 2, that is the middle. 14 upon 2th term, that is 7th term, and 14 upon 2 plus 1, that is 8th term. So 7th term plus 8th term upon 2, it is not 15 upon 2. Value of 7th term we have to write, value of 8th term we have to write, then divided by 2. That means 7th term value is 48, 8th term value is 52, then 48 plus 52 upon 2, that is equal to 50. This is for the even number. And this is for the odd number. When there are odd number, only one term is in the middle, so that will be the median. And for even number, there are two terms in the middle. Then we find the average of that two terms. That means we add them and divided by 2, then we find the median. So here we have discussed with the mean, median and mode. Mode directly, that is the variance value which has the maximum frequency. Mean, sum of our observation upon total number of observation, and median is the position average which is in the middle position. Okay, thank you.